Well, hello there again. Now I got a 55 here with Magna Power ignition. I'm gonna work on this one. I haven't worked on this before, and I got these two. One of them was taken apart already. This 55 here, but it has a power trim, that's what I wanted it for. So hopefully I'll be able to switch that over to this one, or maybe one of the 45s, because I don't know if this one's gonna run yet. But it's got really good compression so far with the thumb test. I haven't checked it because I don't have my compression tester with me. But all in all, it looks all right. Swings nice. Doesn't have any discoloration. Flywheel nut came off. I'm going to be taking the flywheel off shortly. Hopefully it'll just pry off, no problem. But we will see. Looks all right. Everything looks pretty good. And we'll let you know. Thanks for watching.